What's up, y'all? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Linnea. I live in the suburbs and I'm on a mission to become semi-self-sufficient, where we have a garden, we can things, we grow things, we do sourdough, we do recipes, we do lots of fun things. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, thanks for being here. If you're not new here, welcome back. Miss you. Anyways, today I was gonna do sourdough discard crepes with like this crepe maker that I have that I've never used before. But I'll be honest, I was not in the mood to deal with like a new appliance machine that I've never used before. And I was making pizza dough because we were having a pizza day tomorrow. And on the back of this Bob's Mill flour, there's a recipe for Amish country loaf. And I'm gonna give it a whirl. So that's what we're making today. We are making some Amish country loaf bread, and you know, let's go, let's do it. Let's just get right to it. So the recipe on the back of this bag makes 2 loaves. I do not want to make 2 loaves, I'm only making 1. So I'm gonna give you the directions / ingredients to make 1 loaf. So in this bowl I have 1 cup of warm water, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of this active dry yeast, and then I'm going to mix it all together. I'm gonna let this sit for 5 minutes and then we will be back. All right, so it's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. I'm not gonna measure it, I'm just gonna measure it with my hand. And then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now, I'm going to add 1 cup of flour and then mix it in. I'm going to add 2 more cups of flour for a total of 3 cups of flour. So I just lined this with a little bit of oil, and I'm gonna put this ball in here, flip it over so it also gets covered in oil, and then I'm gonna cover it and let it sit for an hour. guys want to see what I did to my bread? So I put it in my top oven, which is, I guess, it's smaller, and it rose too much in the oven, and it was like pushing against the heating element. And I caught it when there was like 12 minutes left. So I took it out and then heated my bottom oven up and then put it back in my bottom oven. And I think it looks great, minus the heating element mark on there. But let me cut into it and see how it actually tastes. Like, story of my life. Story of my life. I'm just gonna cut into it on this because I don't really care. It looks so good though. Look at that. Oh yeah. This recipe is good. I mean, I imagine it tastes good. It smells good. Nice. All right, I have to take a thumbnail, so hold on. Just gonna... Okay, hang on. I feel awkward, but you know. It literally just tastes like homemade bread. It's pretty light. I like it. I would make this again 100%. Just put it in my bottom oven, not the top. But you know, this is good, especially if you don't want to make sourdough and like go through the whole process. I would get Jonathan in here, but I think he's busy right now, so I'm not gonna mess with that. But I guarantee you he will like this because he loves bread. So I will see you guys in the next one. I think I'm gonna make a strawberry rhubarb pie, and then after that I think I'm gonna make sourdough discard crepes. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.